Hey everyone, this is a quick review of the Keter Westwood 150-gallon deck box. This thing is massive. You can store a ton of stuff in it. It's plastic like all the other deck boxes out there, but I think Keter did a lot better job of actually making this look like wood planks than anything else I've seen. To lift up the lid, it's really easy. It's got gas pistons here to help you open it and hold it open. There's a center reinforcing hinge as well, and on the top, on both the front and the back, there is aluminum reinforcement, so it's not all just plastic. It gives you a lot of sturdiness so this doesn't bow. There's also an actual metal locking lug right here you can put a padlock through, so unlike a lot of the plastic ones out there, you can't just cut it with a pair of snips. It's a little bit heavier duty. It's still not built like a tank, but it's a lot more secure than just plastic. The lid on this thing can serve as a bench seat for 2 adults. It is super sturdy. I weigh 150 pounds and I don't feel it bowing really at all when I sit on it. Here it is full with everything I had in my other deck box that was bursting at the seams. And you've got a hammock, a full-size hammock stand, 3 propane tanks, some garden stakes, another hammock, and just tons of extra room. I got enough to put all of my patio furniture covers in here too. Assembly on this is pretty straightforward. They say 30 minutes on the box. It took me right around 22 minutes. I definitely used a power drill instead of a manual screwdriver, so that might be the difference. For the most part, everything just snaps together, and then you screw on the hardware for the lid, and you screw everything together in a couple spots for a little bit more added rigidity. So overall, I think this is a fantastic buy. I think you're getting a lot of value for your money and a ton of storage space.